Now we are going to see use place value to solve. This is subtraction strategies. Before we see that addition strategies, now we are going to see subtraction strategies, but use place value to solve. In the subtraction strategy, we are going to solve the subtractions. Use what? Place value method to solve the subtraction. So let's see how we are going to do it. This is subtraction strategies. Okay. So from the subtraction strategies, we are using place value to solve. The first number is 82. Second number is 56. First number is what? 82. Second number is 56. So we are going to take the second number, that is 56. We are going to take second number 56. So 56, how we are going to split? 50 plus 6, that is called as 56. So now we are right, 56 we are going to split 50 plus 6. This is ones and this is tens. Now we have to write the first number 82. We have to subtract with tens, that is 82 minus 50. 82 minus 50, subtract 82 minus 50, that is 2 minus 2, sorry 2 minus 0, 2. 2 minus anything minus 0, that is 2 minus 0, you can get what? 2. And 8 minus 5, that means backward counting. After 5 you have to start counting. After 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 8, that is 3. The answer is 32. Sir, the answer is correct, 32. So you have to write 32 again. Now you subtract with ones, that is place value ones. 32 minus 6. So 32 minus 6. So how we are going to do? 2 minus 6 is not sufficient. So ones place and tens place. So ones place, what is the number? 2. It is not enough to subtract because 2 is a smaller number and 6 is a what? Greater number. You can't subtract. So you have to borrow from tens. So you have to borrow from 1 tens here. So this 3 becomes 2. This 2 becomes what? 12. So 12 is a greater number and 12 minus from 12 you have to subtract 6. So what you're going to do after 6, you have to start backward counting. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number is 6. So you have to write 6 here. This, what is, there is no number. So 2, you have to consider 0 here. So you have to bring down the 2 as it is. The answer is 26. So anyhow 26. This is the right answer. But this is a general addition. Sorry, this is a general subtraction. That is, we are not using any strategies. We are not using or we are not following any strategy. It's a general subtraction. It's a general subtraction. So 82 ones in the place 2 and tens place 8 and next number is 56. So you have to write one by one. So first you have to write the 82. Next you have to write it below 56. So ones place 6 and tens place 5. So 82 minus 56. So 2 minus 6 you can't subtract because 2 is not enough to subtract. 2 is smaller than 6. So what you're going to do, you have to borrow from tens place. So what you're going to borrow, you have to borrow 1 tens. So 8 becomes 7. This 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 6 you can get 6. So 7 minus 5, so you have to focusing now tens place value. 7 minus 5 you can get 2, that is 26. Now the answer is 26. Exactly write the answer. Now we are going to solve the second sum, 91 minus 25. The same subtraction, we are following the subtraction strategy. What we are going to do, we are using place value method to solve this problem. So let's see the sum. So 91 the first number and second number is 25. So we have to take the second number always. So second number 25. So we have to split the number, that is 20 plus 5. So now we are going to write the first number 91. You have to take the tens. This is tens. This is what? Ones. So 91 minus tens place value, what is 20? 91 minus 20. So 91 minus 20, what you get? 1 minus 0, you can get 1. 9 minus 2, you can get what? 71. 9 minus 2, you can get 7. 1 minus 0, you can get 1. 9 minus 2, you can get 7. That is, answer is 71. So you have to write the 71 again. Then what is the next number? You have to what? Subtract with ones. What is the number in the ones place? 5. 71 minus 5, you can get what? 66. So 71 and ones and tens, you have to subtract with the what? 5. So 1 minus 5, 1 is not enough to subtract. So you have to borrow from tens place. So you have to borrow 1 from this tens place. This 7 becomes what? This 7 becomes 6, and this ones place 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 5. So backward counting you are using. After 5 you have to add with what, 11. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 6. So this, what is, there is no number in the tens place, only 6 is here. So you have to consider 0. 6 minus 0, you can get what? 6. Okay, the answer is 66. So this is a what? Subtraction strategy we are using we are using what? Place value method in subtraction strategy. We are using subtraction strategy, but what is the method we are using? Place value method. We are using place value method in what? Subtraction strategy. But this is a general subtraction. There is no strategy we are following. Just only ones and tens. So 1 and 9, 91 the first number. Second number is what? 25. General subtraction. There is no strategy I am following. Just 1 minus 5. So 1 is not enough to subtract. So borrow from tens place. You have to borrow 1 from this tens place. You have to borrow 1 from this tens place. So this 9 becomes 8. This ones place 1 becomes what? 11. So 11 minus 5 you can get 6. So backward counting again. After 5 you have to count up to 11. So answer is 6. So I know that very well. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 is the number. So again, what is the number in the tens place? 8. 8 minus 2, you can get 6. So 66. So both answers are correct. So this is a general subtraction method. General subtraction. General subtraction. Okay, general subtraction. But this is a what? Subtraction strategy. We are using place value method.